Hello and welcome to HUAWEI Ability Gallery. I'm Stuart. Today I'm going to show you how to create a card using the HUAWEI Quick App IDE. Let's get started. First, have a look at what it will be. Pretty nice, huh? I guess you can't wait to know how to make it. Before that, make sure that you've got everything ready. Now we can start creating a card. The first thing you'll need to do is to download and install the HUAWEI Quick App IDE. Go to File, New Project, New JS Widget Project, or press Ctrl-Shift-J to create a card project. Input the name of your app and RPK package. Just use the default path. Of course, you can change it if needed. Some templates are provided for you to choose from. Here, we'll demonstrate on the flight template. Click OK. The card project is created. The sample code is also generated. Let's check what's contained in a card project. And don't forget to go to manifest.json to confirm if your card is registered. Do you want to make your card unique? Customize it by editing code as you prefer. Or modify the card by dragging components into the card. Make sure the card data is obtained through the Data Request API of system.fetch. Now, click anywhere on the card to add a redirection event. We've made all basic configurations for the card. Let's see what it looks like. There are two ways for you to preview it. Let's try Simulated Instant Preview first. By switching themes, fonts, and display sizes, you can see how the card changes. Or perform the following steps to preview the card on a phone. Click the Real-Time Compilation button or press Ctrl-Shift-R to start previewing. If the HUAWEI Quick App Loader is not found on the phone, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Now, adjust the card until you are satisfied. This is a great method that lets us test our work and see how it's going to work on phones. And to make sure everything will work well in the future, debugging is a must. Click the Inspect button to view the elements and capture network package. After that, you can take a quick break. Only one last step is waiting for you. Click the Release button. Your card will have one unique certificate. It can be found in the src/signed/release directory of your project. You'll need to use it for each upgrade of your RPK package. Fill in the required information and click Create. The generated RPK package will appear as a pop-up window. You can also find it in the dist folder. That's how easy it is to create a card. To learn more, email us or visit HUAWEI Ability Gallery. Well, see you next time.